A furnisher also can classify a dispute as frivolous or irrelevant if the dispute is substantially the same as a prior dispute that the furnisher previously investigated, whether received by the furnisher directly from the consumer or sent to the furnisher by a CRA. But a dispute that includes new or additional supporting information is not considered substantially the same as the prior dispute. In addition, a furnisher can classify a dispute as frivolous or irrelevant if the dispute relates to information the furnisher did not provide to the CRA, such as a dispute about public record data or another furnisher's account. Also, if a furnisher has a reasonable belief that a dispute comes from a credit repair organization, the furnisher can classify the dispute as frivolous or irrelevant. The credit repair organizations are companies that promise to help consumers clean up or repair their credit histories, often by disputing accurate but derogatory consumer report information in the hopes that it will be removed from the consumer report. For example, a dispute letter may arrive in a batch with other letters containing the same format, content, and postmark. Even though the consumer's addresses are from many different places around the country, this indication might support a conclusion by the furnisher that the dispute was submitted by a credit repair organization.